How you doing? I'm Josh with Wooden Essentials. Today I'm gonna build a trash can cabinet. I've seen a lot of these builds on YouTube and majority of them use plywood. Plywood is expensive, so I was trying to think of a cheaper route to do it, and I thought pine would be the best way to do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut everything down to size and then assemble it together. In this build, all I'm using is a 1x10, a 1x12, a 1x4, and a 1x2. I did find one channel that they built it out of regular pine. Took the one I found, changed a couple things, changed a couple of the sizes, redesigned it a little bit, but I can say this is not my plans, it's their plans. I will link their channel down in the description, giving them full credit for it. Now that I got everything cut, I'm going to assemble first the doors. Got the doors done. I got the box for the trash can to sit in. Next, I'm going to do the top and add a little bit of a backsplash. I think the correct term is. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to add it. That one, I'm doing the 4-inch piece. Just, I think it would look better with a higher back. And I'm trying on each, not on the front or the back, but on the sides, I'm going to do a 1/2-inch overhang. Now I got the sides together, the bottom in. All I got left is to put the top up. I'm going to glue it and screw it down and then use wood filler to hide the screws. Alright, a couple things happened. First, the doors didn't work out as I was hoping, so what I did was I cut up some smaller ones and I'm going to join them together These two boards joined together and it cupped really bad. So I'm hoping this idea will be better. Alright, off camera, I went ahead and glued up the new door. I didn't like how the other one looked. And all that's left is to sand that. Before I stain everything, I'm going to attach the door to the base that holds the trash can. Before I stain it, I'm going to use a pre-stain conditioner, since this is pine. It's supposed to help with the blotching and put a nice help it put a nice even coat of the stain. Once everything's stained, let it dry. Then I will go ahead and put this for the finish, polyacrylic. After that, assemble everything and it should be done.